Alright guys, here it is, our exotic car purchase. Look at that nice little Lamborghini. Hey yo, good morning A-Team, how y'all doing today? And I know what you're thinking, Ashton, is this another vlog starting in the night? And that's where you're wrong, because right now it is 6:56 a.m. Yeah, it's very early, and you know why? Because it is a school day today. So we are out here waiting in the parking lot for about 20 more minutes before school begins, because we won't go in until the very last second because it's about freezing temperature right now. That's absolutely ridiculous. So, you know, there's not much fun going on with school, so I think we're just going to skip till after that. So I will see you guys then. Yo, what is up guys? So we are back from school, and we finally, after I think 2 vlogs, got our camera guy back. So just give him a round of applause real quick. Thank you for being back. So what we're actually doing right now is we are heading to the toy barn. Now, Ashton, what is the toy barn, you ask? Well, A-Team, let me tell you about this amazing, magical place that we have in Ohio. So the toy barn basically is the go-to shop for exotic cars. Now, when I say exotic cars, I'm talking about Ferraris, McLarens, Lamborghinis, anything you can think of, we are going there. And why are we going there, you may ask? Well, A-Team, if I can reach into my pocket without crashing my car, we got a personal invite from the CEO of Toy Barn to come in and take a look at some cars. So I think that's gonna be pretty awesome. You know, we might just have to pick one up. I don't know, we'll see. This Jag's getting a little bit old, so we might have to take a look around and see what we find. But that is going to be the vlog today. So, you know, casual, 18 years old, exotic cars, Ashton vlogs. You're definitely gonna wanna be subscribed, so just go ahead and punch that subscribe button right in the face. This is an ultimate lit channel on YouTube, and if you're not subscribed, guys, what are you doing? We race drones, we shoot exploding fireworks, exploding arrows, and if you haven't seen yesterday's vlog, you should definitely go check it out, because we pretty much roasted some people on Twitter, including our president himself, so if you haven't seen that, you definitely want to go check that out. But I don't want to bore you guys, so we're going to catch you guys at the toy barn. So see you guys there. Okay guys, so we're here, and as you can see, my mouth is already open because holy shit, these things are so nice here. Like just look in the window right over there. God, everything is so, I don't know where to park. I feel like a lot less around all these cars. Probably here. All right, we're gonna park here, and then oh my beautiful Audi R8. All right, yeah, I'm gonna keep drooling, and once we find a parking spot, we'll get back into this. All right, guys, look at this color for this car. Oh my God. All right, gotta turn this around. Look at how nice this is. This is what I'm talking about when they say chroma. Jesus, that is freaking unbelievable. And this is just the beginning, guys. Holy. All right. Alright guys, so here we are, and just take a quick look around. Look at that. Oh boy. This is what I'm talking about. Oh. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh my God, hold on. McLaren status. Motorcycles too. Guys, this place has absolutely everything. All right, guys, so we're heading into the Toy Barn Lounge, and this place is basically gonna give us a great view of the facility, and this is just one building out of 4. There are 4 different buildings going around this entire place that we're gonna go through too. Don't worry, you'll see all the awesome cars before we start talking about purchasing. But right here in the lounge, we basically just have a bunch of games going on. I mean, look at that. They literally have a pinball machine next to Ferraris. Like guys, downstairs, look at that, all those cars. Let's head over to the other side. Got those McLarens there. Now let's take a look at the Ferraris from afar. Ooh. Guys, I'm absolutely in love. Guys, so I think the most impressive thing here is the colors of the car. Like, nice little matte white, this is blue. Oh, this is matte silver with the orange rims. Nice little goldish yellow, and the Corvette. Gosh, can I get this for Christmas, guys? It's next to the Christmas tree. Alright guys, so we've been to 2 parts of the shop right now, and we still haven't found the Lamborghini yet, so this is what we're looking for. Hopefully we can find it in the 3rd one, so we don't have to go all the way down to the 4th one, but we're gonna see. So let's go ahead to the 3rd shop. As always, cannot forget a little i8 action in the back. Unfortunately, it's in the garage, not on display, but we'll take what we can get. Alright guys, so I know what you're thinking. Ashton, you've complained about the weather in Ohio the last 2 vlogs. How are you possibly walking out in it without shivering and in half-sleeve shirts? Well, guys, it's because Ohio has the most random weather in the entire world, so we are rocking a 53 degrees, which here is like, you know, beach warm weather. But, you know, we take it, and it's not gonna be like this any other day than today, because it's gonna go back to the below 20s tomorrow, so we're just enjoying it while we can. All right, so we chose not to take the sidewalk for some reason, but we are currently walking through this muddy terrain here, and I'm about to show you guys why. Remember how I said there were 4 parts to this toy barn? Well, take a look at part number 2. That's right, it's its own huge cabin complex with all these cars, plus a bunch of exotics inside. So yeah, we're gonna walk through this bushing right here, and we're gonna go check some of them out. All right guys, so we hit the holy grail of cars. I'm talking the best of the best. All right, just take a quick look. Look at that nice red Ferrari, Audi R8, Lambo. Oh. Guys, I think I'm seriously about to have a heart attack about how nice these cars are. Now you're probably wondering, where am I right now? Well, I am sitting inside of an Audi R8. That's right guys, look at this beaut right here. Oh my gosh. Oh boy, can I just drive this thing right out of the store right now? Oh my god, let me just, oh. Look at this thing, look how insane this car is. Okay guys, if you want to see the most perfect shot in a car shop ever, just take a look at this. Look at that. If we weren't buying a Lamborghini, that would be the thumbnail right there. Alright guys, here it is, our exotic car purchase. Look at that nice little Lamborghini. Ooh, let's take a back shot. Ooh. See what we did there? That's our right there.
That's our Lamborghini. Pretty nice. Bought ourselves a nice little exotic car here. That's what I'm talking about, guys. All right, A-Team, that is the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like below, and also don't forget to subscribe. As always, we are the strongest, littest up-and-coming family on YouTube. Join the A-Team, guys. We are amazing for what we do here. We are doing awesome stuff every single day, so make sure you check back in tomorrow. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next one. Don't have my hat. Whatever, we'll manage.